If you need to change a shape in Lucidchart without losing your text or connected lines, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it. This is especially useful when you've already built part of a diagram and realize one shape needs to be different, but you do not want to rebuild everything from scratch. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Lucidchart document and locate the shape you want to change. This can be any shape in your diagram, whether it's a process box, a decision diamond, a circle, or another object you've already placed on the canvas. Click once on the shape so it becomes selected. When the shape is selected, Lucidchart will show a small set of quick action options near it. Now look just above the selected shape for the Change Shape tool. Depending on your layout and zoom level, it may appear as a small shape icon or a 3D box style icon. This is the tool you want because it lets you swap the current shape for a different one while keeping the important parts of your diagram intact. Click that Change Shape icon to open the menu. Once the Change Shape menu opens, you'll see a list of available shapes. Browse through the options and choose the one you want to use instead. As soon as you click the new shape, Lucidchart will instantly replace the old one with the new design. The best part is that your text stays inside the shape and any connector lines attached to it remain in place. That means you can refine your diagram without having to reconnect everything manually. This is a huge time saver when you're working on flowcharts, org charts, system diagrams, or any other visual document in Lucidchart. Instead of deleting a shape and starting over, you can simply change it in just a couple of clicks. It keeps your workflow clean, fast, and accurate. If the shape doesn't change the way you expected, just click it again and reopen the Change Shape menu. You can keep experimenting until you find the version that matches your diagram best. And if you need to adjust the text or spacing afterward, you can do that too, but the main structure of your connections will still be preserved. So to recap, select the shape, open the Change Shape tool, and pick the new shape from the drop-down. That's all it takes to update a shape in Lucidchart without losing your content or connections. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Lucidchart tips, diagramming shortcuts, and easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.